there's energy in the waste stream that goes to every wastewater treatment facility. That's why we've adopted the phrase water resource recovery facility, so we can capitalize on the energy that's in the organic fraction of the solids that come to a wastewater plant.
In 2013, Quasar Energy Group entered into a public-private partnership with the City of Wooster, Ohio, to retrofit, operate, and monitor existing anaerobic digesters at the city's water pollution control plant. The city was exploring opportunities to address findings and orders from the Ohio EPA to make improvements to the plant. With more stringent U.S. EPA regulations on discharge quality, many treatment plants are having problems meeting the new limits and securing funding to support upgrades.
Through a long-term services agreement with the city, Quasar was able to bring private capital into this project, rehab existing infrastructure, and as a result of that, save money for the city.
Quasar completed the project in just 14 weeks. The process begins with the delivery of liquid or solid organic waste.
With a water resource recovery facility, we now are recycling energy from the biomass that comes through a wastewater treatment plant. It's the same paradigm shift that occurred when we began to recycle glass, aluminum, steel years ago.
Liquid material is pumped into underground storage tanks, while solid waste streams are delivered into the hopper, where they are diluted and macerated. Material from the Wooster plant is very thin, about 2% solids. It is dewatered on site and enters the Quasar facility at 8% solids. The material is then pumped into the biomass equalization tank. It is in the tank that the breakdown of material begins. Here, incoming waste streams are mixed for 3 days. From here, material is pumped into one of 3 digester tanks, where it will be continuously mixed and broken down by anaerobic bacteria for between 18 and 30 days.
In this project, Quasar was able to use existing infrastructure, bring in our new technology, which improves the energy density of the digester, and as a result of that, we've been able to more than triple the output capacity of this plant. When we did that, we were able to take the wastewater treatment plant, the water resource recovery facility, completely off the grid and attain their goals of energy neutrality.
The outermost layer of the membrane roof protects the structure from natural elements, while the inner layer flexes based on gas pressure. As a safety measure, a flare relieves the tank of any built-up gas pressure. The plant's operations are monitored 24/7 by a high-tech SCADA system. The system can be controlled on-site by plant operators, remotely from Quasar's central monitoring facility, or from anywhere using a smartphone. Biogas produced at the facility is used to fuel an on-site combined heat and power unit.
We're generating 1,100 kilowatts that allows the facility to operate exclusively offline. 3% of all electricity consumed in the United States is consumed by wastewater treatment plants. We could produce 12% of the total electric consumed in the United States at wastewater treatment plants alone.
While biogas can be used to produce electricity, it can also be cleaned, dried, and compressed to use as a renewable motor vehicle fuel. Another product of the anaerobic digestion process is a natural, nutrient-rich soil amendment. The future of the water industry lies in its ability to derive value from natural resources embedded in wastewater. Quasar is pilot testing full-scale technology at the Wooster facility to capture, separate, and concentrate nutrients.
The Wooster project is an example of how a public-private partnership can work. We designed the plant, we did all the permitting for them, we constructed it, we commissioned it, and we own and operate the plant. We have a long-term performance warranty within our agreement with the city. Quite simply, if we don't perform, we write the city a check.
Although change might be challenging, everybody likes to win. And if we can create an environment where people can see the solution or create hope that things can improve, we think it's going to be easier to win. And the result will be saving money, producing renewable energy, and having cleaner air, soil, and water.